In this video, I want to show you how to turn off voice control on iPhone. To turn off voice control on iPhone, it's very simple and very basic to do. The first thing I want you to do, I want you to go to the settings on your iPhone. So let's open up the settings on my iPhone. So once you get to the settings on your iPhone, I want you to scroll down and tap on accessibility. So let's scroll down. So let's tap on accessibility. So once you tap on accessibility, I want you to scroll down to where we have voice control. As you can see, we have voice control over here. Just tap on that voice control. So once you tap on that voice control, as you can see at the top, you can see voice control is turned on for this device. So to turn off this voice control, you just want to tap on that green at the front of the voice control. Once you tap on it, the voice control will be turned off. So guys, this is how you can actually turn off voice control on your iPhone device. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.